play. Look, fellas, let's play like we're Robin Hood's merry men. I'll be Robin Hood. Who's gonna be Robin Hood? You're gonna be Robin Hood.
Who's gonna be Robin Hood?
You're gonna be Robin Hood.
All right, you can be Little John. Now, let's see, who's gonna be the rich old villain?
Now, who's gonna be the old villain? Now, let's see, who's gonna be the mean old rich old villain? Who's gonna be the old... Me? Don't get so excited. All you gotta do is march through the forest with your treasure, and we'll rob you and give it to the poor. Won't that be fun? He wants to be the villain, don't ya? Why I always have to be the bad guy. I'd like to be the good guy once in a while, I guess. But ho, get ready to battle with Robin Hood. On guard, you certainly have to be very good to beat me. Though I doubt that you ever can defeat me. So you'll never be quite the man for my clan. Oh, boy, a nastier villain I'll never see. Come on, this time you are facing your enemy. Remember, you're the terrible rich old guy. To beat you will be easy as pumpkin pie. Quit your stalling around, you're the logical one we found. To be robbed once again by the jolliest merry men. We sing, and though we are doing the things we should, to be like Robin Hood.
Help! Help! Who's there? It's me, Maid Marian. Now, who could Maid Marian be? Get the book. My sweetheart. We gotta save her. Where are you, Maid Marian? Where are you, Maid Marian?
Here I am.
Here I am. Help! Where are you? Help! Help! Here I am. Where are you? I'm in here. Save me. Gosh, we better hurry. Where are you, Maid Marian? Here I am, Robin Hood.
And I like little squirrels very, very much. love little squirrels. Little fat, juicy squirrels. Especially with carrots and potatoes and onions. Doesn't that just make your mouth water?
Guess we better break down the door.
Look, fellas, get me out of here. See? Get me out of here. Look, fellas, please get me out of here.
Guess we'll have fox stew tonight, boys.
Look, fellas, I'm young, strong, healthy. Don't let him kill me. Oh, my gosh, I'm afraid to die. Let me out! Let me out of here! Let me out! I want to get out of here! Let me out! Let me out of here!
Gee, fellas, thanks a lot.
Who's gonna be Robin Hood?